Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. I had a message from a subscriber of our channel that he had a problem with the side cases of Ducati Multistrada with the setup of the Evotech tail TD and Ducati Performance tail lights. He said that there was a problem touching the 10 singlets were touching the side cases, so I have to test this. Let's try to install one of the side cases. These are the side cases. Okay, like that tight. We lock the side cases, and this is the gap. And don't see any problem. This is the gap. I don't know why this mate had a problem. Let's install the second case. Okay, we lock. That. And here is also the gap. The cases are moving like that, but I don't see any problem. There is a gap here. So probably he installed something wrong, I don't know what, but here it's looking great. Thanks for watching.